Hi, I'm James Schilling-Law, and I'm here at the ASTA Global Convention, and one of the sponsors of this convention is Allianz Partners. And I'm here with Richard Aquino, who's the Vice President, Head of Sales for Allianz. And we're going to talk about, there's always something going on with Allianz, with travel insurance, and we're going to talk about a few of the new things that are going on right here on Insider Travel Report. Now, Richard, we got together last year. We had a whole lot of new stuff, and you don't stop. You always have more and more new stuff. Let's talk first of all about you got some changes in your trip cancellation coverage, which is also crucial these days. And we all learned a lot during COVID about trip cancellation, sadly. And so, what is Allianz doing that's different now?
Well, first, we're always changing, always watching the industry and seeing what's needed. So we added 12 new reasons to cancel a trip. It's a covered reason to cancel. And I think one of our most popular is we now cover for veterinarian emergency. So
veterinarian emergency. So if my dog is sick and I can't go, this is good? Member of the family.
Yep. That's how we look at it. And that's what our advisors are saying is really, really a great benefit. So you know, a lot of us have dogs, cats, goldfish. They're part of the family.
Absolutely. No, in fact, I could have used that coverage to be around COVID time. Let me tell you, there was a few times when we had a dog and we couldn't go, and we just canceled the trip. But any other updates to that coverage?
There's quite a few, but new business. If you have a new job and the new company, you know, will not allow you to travel because of your start date. That's also a covered reason to cancel now.
That's a reason not to start with a new company, but that's another story.
Yeah, it's COVID. Everybody's changing jobs. So
no, this is true. It's a good thing. And so those are great. So new coverage, and then you got some other things going on. I believe there's a new product you have with digital brochures for Allianz products, right?
Yeah, I say this is probably perfect timing for the industry because one, you know, we want to be a green company. We're looking that really put things that are sustainable and as far as our footprint goes and our partners' footprint. So going to the days I think where people go in and pick up dozens of brochures. So now you can easily go onto our Agent Max tool, print out the brochure you want, customize it with your agency name and contact information, and really print the ones that you need out, or most often they're just emailed around. Because really advisors are doing business differently today than they did 3 or 4 years ago, and we're always changing to meet their needs, and digital's the way to go nowadays.
So now you have a digital portal to get these brochures, right?
Exactly. It's quick and it's easy.
No, that's great, and so you're saving the planet a little bit, and also a lot of mailing costs and things like that for all these clients because you have different coverages and things like that. Now, the final thing we want to talk about is you just put out a survey of where people are traveling, and tell us a little bit about that because I think you found they're all traveling to a place everybody says everybody's traveling to this year, which is?
Well, we have 3 different ways to look at that. We have domestic, so we're seeing a lot of people going to Orlando, one of the top places to go. But also internationally, we have Cancun is up. Those are 2 of our favorite destinations that we're seeing. And we actually survey about 1.6 million people, and we look at the travel, and that's 2 of the top destinations. And another thing that we're seeing, international travel is up 55%.
Well, yeah, everybody's back traveling like crazy.
Well, what's interesting about that is last year was up 600%. Now, so we thought it would flatten out, but no, it's still going on. The growth is at 55%. So people are traveling to London and Paris. I mean,
the world said where they're going is to Europe these days. They want to go. I'm hearing from travel agents, travel advisors, everyone. They're booking Europe, right?
Yeah. So true.
And also Italy too.
Italy's also in the top 5. Yeah.
That's great. So, and then you're offering coverage for all these trips that they're going on. So, and believe me, I won't give you a plug, but we do use Allianz Travel. Like, we have a regular annual policy for our company, and that was necessary during COVID. We couldn't even go some places until you produced the fact that you had coverage.
So true. And we have a travel agent program, a travel advisor program just for the advisor that has trip cancellation, medical, and it's an annual plan, and it's available to our partners. partners. So another way we're thanking our partners is by putting a strong product out for them that's extremely reasonable in cost.
And just as you said that, today is National Travel Advisor Appreciation Day, and some people are making that Travel Agent Appreciation Month, but it's really a great way to recognize travel advisors.
It is. I mean, honestly, I always say, without you, there's no us. I mean, the travel advisors are the DNA in the travel industry, right? Because of events that have happened, of course, in the past few years, everyone knows now that they should use a travel advisor. We're seeing it, and also we're feeling it too. So it's good, and I want to thank everyone out there for their tireless work planning all these getaways and journeys.
And then everybody now knows, because of COVID, if they didn't know before, that you should really have travel insurance as well.
I think the consumer is educated, where it used to be maybe a harder conversation explaining. Now the traveler understands they need it, and they're asking for it.
Fantastic. Well, Richard, great to see you here once again at ASTA. We'll look forward to seeing you, if not somewhere else, even hopefully before then, because the next one is going to be in Dallas a year from now, end of May. But we end up going to a lot of the same conferences together, but hope to see you there.
You will. Allianz tries to be everywhere where our partners are.
I'm James Shillinglaw, and this is Insider Travel Report.